Hello guys, so this is how to install Libreoffice on your computer. Firstly, go open a new tab and write download Libreoffice. And this can be like a substitute of Microsoft Office and it's free of cost and it's really nice. So I'm going to choose this one, the older version, and you can choose your PC according to this. So my 64 Windows 64-bit, and I'm gonna click on download. And after this, maybe the download will begin, but if it doesn't begin, you can actually click on this and yep, and save the file. So it will take some time to download. It has been downloaded. You can see this in the downloads folder. So go to your downloads folder and click on the file and click on next, on custom, and you can change this folder. Now I'm going to select this folder. You can choose any folder of your wish, or you can even like choose the normal one without the custom. Even that will do it automatically. It will put it in the program file, so even that is okay. Set Libreoffice to default operation Microsoft type. Fine. And click on install. Click on yes. Currently it's actually installing right now. And it has been installed. So I'll open something. See. Slash. See. This is just like Microsoft Word type and it's really nice. You get many options like Microsoft Word and other which you can use, and I think this is my personal best alternative for Microsoft Word, and it's free of cost and super easy to install. So please like, share and subscribe to this video.